Next on Done on a Weekend projects, brighten your backyard with these string light ideas.
Hey everyone, it's Doug Scott with Redeem Your Ground, and once again I've joined forces with our friends at Exmark to do another Done on a Weekend projects video. A few years ago we showed you the basics to installing string lights to light up your outdoor spaces at night. Well, since then over 100,000 people have watched Light Up Your Light, and if you're one of those, thank you. But there's one question in particular many of you have asked, and that is, can we share patterns that you can use to lay out your string lights for your various outdoor spaces? And to that question, the answer is yes, it would be our pleasure. We've created a great string lights pattern guide that you can download for free at the link below. Now, if you need a refresher or if you never saw the original video we did on string lights, we provided that helpful video here as well. Now, get ready for some illuminating ideas. There are a whole host of outdoor lighting options, but sometimes they can be really involved and fairly expensive. So sometimes I'll offer a cheaper, easier DIY alternative, and that's simply to hang a few string lights. They're great to add fun, personality, and of course light to your outdoor living and dining space. To get started on today's Done on a Weekend lighting project, first do a little research to determine the style you're going for, as well as how long and how many strands of lights you'll need. The only other materials you'll need for this project will be the appropriate hardware you'll use to hang your lights and possibly an extension cord. Most of the time, it's simply some type of cup hook or similar fastener that your lights will hang from. These hooks should be outdoor grade if they're going to be exposed to the elements. Next, you want to sketch out your design to first make sure that you capture what you're going for, and second, to ensure that you're purchasing the correct number and lengths of lights and hooks. For a more relaxed look, you may want a crisscross or freeform pattern, often requiring more strands of light. For a more uniform look, you can simply hang lights across the center or around the perimeter, which may therefore require fewer strands. Regardless, be creative and just make sure your design represents you and how you want to live outside. Then, simply measure the length of lights you'll need, making sure to add a few feet with each pass to allow for slack. One other thing you'll want to consider before you purchase your lights is making sure that you can make your light strand connections in as discreet a spot as possible, ideally where they connect to the wall, post, or tree. Having a connection in the middle of a swag won't be the end of the world, but you'll probably want to minimize the chances of that as best you can. Now you're ready to install your hooks. This is a fairly quick and painless process as long as you follow your plan. From here, simply begin hanging your lights, but a word of warning, make sure to hang your lights without the bulbs in them to minimize the chances of breaking them. You'll also want to make sure that the first strand reaches an outlet or have an extension cord that will. Once your strands are in and you're satisfied with the general look, install one bulb in each strand and plug them in to test that everything's working properly. If all's good, simply install the rest of the bulbs, light them up, kick back, and enjoy. Well, I hope this will help you bring a little bit of fun and personality to your outdoor spaces after the sun goes down. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to check out our other Done on a Weekend projects video. And don't forget to download the free copy of our String Lights Pattern Guide. I think you'll find it helpful. Take care, and I hope you have a great evening.